Alright, welcome to my video, and I'm just so glad to have you out there. My name is Maziwhyte. Alright, now this video is about 8 affiliate platforms that have that accept Nigerians. Alright, and of course when it comes to affiliate marketing and places like Clickbank and Digi24, people from nations like Nigeria and Bangladesh and India are often banned from such sites. All right, and they are often banned. They are not allowed to go sign up and promote affiliate product. All right, so if you're from Nigeria or you're from Bangladesh or you're from India, this video should be a good one for you. All right, this should be a good video for you, and I'm going to be listing about 8 affiliate platforms where you could go and sign up and begin to promote affiliate products. All right, now if you're new to my channel, if this is the first time you're watching me, please be kind enough to subscribe to my channel. All right, and hit the notification button so that every time I upload a video, you're going to be notified that I indeed uploaded a video. And what I do here is purely affiliate marketing, and I bring you informations, I bring you tips and tricks on how you can do affiliate marketing or make money online and make results. All right, and have cutting edge informations that assist you to make results online. All right, now I'm going to jump straight and list about 8 affiliate platforms that accept Nigerians. All right, because oftentimes I listen to people or I see online where affiliate accounts are banned or blocked after the affiliate have made money promoting product on Clickbank or Digistore. All right, and they block you, they block your account. They don't want to release your money. They ask for certain documents. You have to provide certain documents before you can be allowed to withdraw your earnings. All right, and the reason being that most of such accounts get into such problem because they use VPN to sign in. All right, they use VPN to sign in. All right, and what VPN does is that it changes your location. It lies about your location. All right, and I assure you that Clickbank or such sites, they know all this. So it doesn't really make sense having put in all the effort, and at the end of the day you lose your affiliate earning. So why don't you go sign up with affiliate platforms where you can literally go and where you are legitimate. All right, where you are accepted and you can put in your best and earn affiliate commission and not have anybody ban your account or seize your money. All right, so the number one affiliate program that you can go sign up if you're from Nigeria or from Bangladesh is JVZoo. All right, JVZoo is a worldwide affiliate platform, also like Clickbank. All right, it's a good Clickbank alternative that you can do, and JVZoo accept people from virtually every part of the world, including Nigerians, and they have this fantastic product. They have fantastic digital product that you can promote and make money online. All right, so JVZoo is quite a good ground for you to step on. Go to JVZoo and sign up. All right, I'm not going to be going into details, so you just go to jvzoo.com, sign up and see what they have, and you can promote. All right, and the second affiliate platform that you can go as a Nigerian also is ClickFunnels. And of course, if you've been online for a while, you know what ClickFunnels is. ClickFunnels is about website and funnel building. All right, ClickFunnels helps you to help digital entrepreneurs, companies to build their marketing funnels. All right, and ClickFunnels has a good affiliate program that accepts virtually everybody from any side of the world. So you can go to ClickFunnels, check out their affiliate program and sign in and begin to make affiliate commissions. All right, what affiliate marketing is about promoting other people's product online and making affiliate commissions. All right, setting up your marketing funnel. So it's as simple as that. So you don't need to use VPN and sign in somewhere, and one day they have your account flagged down and you can't withdraw money having put in all the effort. All right, now the number 3 place you can also go sign up is Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is Clickbank alternative. Warrior Plus is JVSU alternative. You can go to Warrior Plus and sign up as an affiliate and promote digital product on Warrior Plus. All right, Warrior Plus has highly converting hot digital products. All right, from make money online to weight loss to softwares, courses online. Warrior Plus have them, and they accept Nigerians and people from Bangladesh. All right, another place you can go, another platform, affiliate platform that you can go sign up as a Nigerian or from Bangladesh or India is getresponse.com. GetResponse has good affiliate program that accept everybody from any parts of the world. All right, and GetResponse is about email marketing. It's about email marketing, listing, creating your sales funnel and your landing page. And I tell you, as a software, all right, or as a site, GetResponse is doing very, very well. It's a popular website. All right, is a popular software. All right, and you can also go and check out affiliate platform like Katra. Number 5 on the list is Katra, and Katra affiliate program is doing incredibly well. It's doing incredibly well. Katra is a online business builder tool. All right, you can that provide tools for email marketing, funnel creation, websites, creating your list and all that. Katra is very, very popular, and it's a good one. It's an incredibly popular one that you can go sign up, and it converts when it comes when it comes to affiliate marketing or promoting Katra. It converts. All right, now the number 6 affiliate platform that you can go check out is Builderall. It's a popular one also. Builderall has affiliate program, and Builderall is about everything that has to do with digital marketing. All right, everything that has to do with digital marketing, Builderall is there, from website to landing page to automation to squeeze page creation, everything that has to do with digital marketing. In fact, Builderall is a digital marketing tool platform that entrepreneurs, internet entrepreneurs buy into. All right, the affiliate program also converts. All right, and people make money promoting Builderall as affiliates. All right, and the number seven affiliate platform that you could also go sign up and make money is Shopify. Shopify is popular, and I tell you, it's converting. Shopify is converting. Now, Shopify is a software that helps people to build online stores. All right, and in today's world, in the face of the pandemic, online store or e-commerce is thriving. Right now, e-commerce is a massive industry, billion-dollar industry, and folks are online creating e-commerce stores. All right, it doesn't matter if you're running a physical store, or you're running your business from the boot of your car, or you're doing social media marketing. Shopify serves. All right, so you can promote Shopify as an affiliate and make money. All right, all you need is to create your content and your marketing funnel, and you are good to go promoting Shopify. All right, and the number 8 platform, if you're in Nigeria, or you are in Bangladesh, or you are in Ghana, you are anywhere in Africa, the number 8 platform is one incredibly awesome place that you could go sign up as an affiliate and make commission. And I'm talking about expertnaire.com. I tell you, expertnaire.com has high converting hot digital product, info products that are converting. I make money doing expertnaire.com. I make money as an affiliate on expertnaire.com, and you can go sign up. All right, it takes about $25, that is about 10,000 naira, to sign up to expertnaire.com and promote the digital listing, the digital product that you have on expertnaire.com. All right, they have digital product from travel, weight loss, make money online, software building, app building, and all that, website and all that, email marketing and advertising, loads and loads of digital product on expertnaire.com that you can promote and make affiliate commissions. All right, now I'm going to be leaving a link below this video to expertnaire.com. You can go sign up with expertnaire.com and promote their product and make affiliate commissions. All right, make affiliate commissions. I do that. All right, and in case you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, like I often tell you in my videos, that affiliate marketing is about the best online business that anybody, even if you're broke, that you can start. All right, now the reason is that in affiliate marketing you don't need to create your own product, you don't need to invest into any product like buying product or creating product or customer care and all that. All you need is to generate your affiliate link, you're giving affiliate link, and you just go promote your product online. You create content online, promote your product, and once you get a buyer, you make your commission. And I tell you, most of the commissions are huge, from $100, $50, and that's a huge buck for you. All right, as a beginner or for somebody who is broke. All right, so in case you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a video. I'm going to leave a link below this video, and I want you to click on that link, watch the video training, all right, and get back to me. If you have a question, you can ask, get back to me. All right, and that training would hold you by the hand and teach you how to do affiliate marketing, and leaving you with samples, with templates. All right, so you're not going to be lost. All right, the training will leave you with templates that you can use to create your own campaigns. All right, so it's like holding you by the hand and showing you what to do. And it also comes with video training. It comes with video training, so you are not left alone. All right, you are held by the hand and led every inch of the way to know what to do. All right, so thank you for being there. God bless you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Tell me what you feel about my videos and how I could give you more quality content. God bless you, and thank you for being there.